How are you guys? You have a Moto Y with a new Goodyear tire, and you had a flat tire. I have a solution for you, so stay to the end. My name is Yanko Maceda, founder of Tabanero Cigars, and I'm a Tesla fan and owner for the last 5 years. My first Moto 3, it was a pain in the neck to get any flat tires because the foam inside of the tire, it was completely glued to the tire. So every time you take foam to do a flat, it was almost impossible. The only one that can do it was Tesla, and every time you do an appointment with Tesla in Tampa, Florida, it's about a month to get a flat tire. I learned that with the new Moto Y, it brings the new Goodyear tires, and the foam inside of the tire, it's only glue on both sides. So if your flat was right in the middle of the area of the tire, they can cut the foam, there's no glue, they can grind and do a regular patch. So stay tuned, see the entire video, so you can fix your Moto Y with Goodyear tires right away on any tire shop, or if you're in Tampa, go the one that I usually go. They're amazing and they're really professional and they will take care of you. Thank you. Tesla Moto Y 2022, new Goodyear tires that nobody can fix, and we're gonna fix it right here in Tampa, Florida. You gotta have your own patch just in case they don't have it, but they have it here. You gotta have your own patch to raise the car. Make sure to put the pad, and make sure that if your tire is flat, it has to be in the middle of the tire. You guys can see Goodyear Moto 2022 wide, and they're soft in the middle, like there's no glue in the middle. Yeah, there's no glue in the middle. Where the puncher was, there was no glue. You can see them in there. The glue is here and the glue is on the side. So it's gonna be treated like a regular tire. Regular grinding, and now we will apply the patch. So now you can really smoke your cigars, your Maceda cigars, Tabanero cigars, and just relax, because your flat tires on your Tesla, they will be taken care of.
Wait a minute, because the air is escaping from the patch.
So the patch is done. Don't be alarmed if you still see a little bit of bubbles. It takes about 20 minutes to stop. But you can mount the tire. It's as you can see, it's already stopping. All done. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Be patient, because when I did my flat, it took about 3 to 4 days to completely cure and no more bubbles or air coming out. It worked. It worked on a Goodyear tires. So don't waste your time going to Tesla, because it's gonna take a long time. Go to this shop in Tampa or show this video to your local tire shop and get it fixed. I hope you have a beautiful evening, date, and if you're into cigars, try some good Tampa cigars, finest.